Hello guys, it's me again, Lil Matrix on the stage. Yeah, alafu kuna idoba fulani imetokea again, jinajiita Bang. Idoba ni mweru manze. Follow ama vijana ni kujituma yani. Idoba imetokea just like 3 hours ago yani, 3 hours. 3 hours ago manze, imetokea just like 3 hours. Follow more. I want to big up that crew manze. Big up Mr. Berry. Big up Stana Boy manze, alafu big up kijana wetu Illest manze, big up manze, big up your crew. Alafu naambia idoba ni genje walai. Follow more manze. Please guys, subscribe to my channel, follow me. Yeah, follow me more guys. Naambia idoba ina hit very bad. Ama vijana, vijana ni wale wa genje. Big up manze, big up manze, idoba ni ile kali. Big up manze.